Tax reporting has never been easy. Most tax teams spend many hours poring over calculations and updated regulations. With today's volatile markets and rapidly shifting government policies, the stakes have never been higher, particularly given corporate strategy is increasingly reliant on strong tax guidance. If you mostly rely on manual processes and static spreadsheets, you may often find yourself swamped by all the paperwork and consolidations that keep piling up. Fires can also pop up, throwing even the best tax teams into a spin. Audits, in particular, have a nasty way of uncovering compliance and governance risks that weren't properly addressed and can require a huge effort to remedy. While tax is and will always remain a demanding part of the business, it doesn't have to feel so difficult. Finding ways to automate manual tasks while streamlining calculations is one of the best places to start. Longview Tax from Insight Software enables you to meet rigid tax reporting deadlines with confidence, even in the most challenging of times. Creating a central place that aggregates data from ERPs, consolidation applications, and supplemental sources establishes a solid foundation that ensures consistency across your organization. Accessing real-time data from a centralized location provides the accuracy you need, builds trust in your numbers, and eliminates the need to run lengthy validation checks. Trusted, error-free reporting in turn supports consistent and reliable decision-making, even mid-cycle. And best of all, you can manage all of this independently, without relying on external consultants or your IT department. When the collection, calculation, and consolidation of your tax data happens automatically, you'll never miss your spreadsheets. All those hours lost on manual work can finally be spent on valuable analysis and strategic guidance for your organization. Reduce your manual burdens and get some of your valuable time back with Longview Tax. Request a demo today.